Hello people, today I wanted to tell you how to turn brush accelerator in application Corel Painter, because you can do that. But, but I don't like when updates come. Just give me a few seconds, because I don't use SSD drive, but Western Digital Velociraptor. Okay, I will tell you, because you cannot just turn this on straight away in options when you go to edit preferences. I will explain to you what you're supposed to do. This is inactive, but if you want this to be on, to be active, you have to click on that. Painter will automatically check brush and it will adjust, but you have to give 1 minute or a couple of seconds depending how fast your PC is. You don't have to paint manually, this is just test run. Oh, okay, I can see. Where's my PC? Okay, now you can turn this on. I think this has been already on, but I will have to tell you. Preferences, general, performance. You see, we have enabled NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 because my computer, my PC has AMD Ryzen processor and graphics card, which is good but not perfect. I would like to upgrade to RTX 2080, GeForce RTX 2080, which is a lot better than that one. But for now, I have to save some money to go for holiday to Poland. So I will probably buy better graphics card beginning of September, hopefully. But as you see, I showed you video tutorial how you can enable this. So now I will check smudge engine brush, because we got a smudge brush as well. Blender general, depending what type of blender. In Krita you say smudge brush. Okay, what we got here, I use a shortcut keyboard to zoom out. This is not what I wanted. Oh, this is little bit vector, trend, heavy blender. What if I increase opacity? Also, I will have to check reset, bleed, some other advanced settings we have. To be honest, I don't use Corel Painter on a regular basis, but I have to check some settings related to this application. I will check profile, paper texture. Oh, now it's a lot vector. But this doesn't disappear. But I just wanted to do something. Where is smudge land? Because I cannot really find this option. I should increase. Oh no, I found proper setting. Reset. Oh, finally! People, I couldn't find this. This is what I needed. Bleed. What if I turn bleed off? I think I didn't really need this. I just wanted to check performance of the Blender Smudge Engine brush because when I work with Krita has different brushes than Corel Painter. Mm, paint with that. I don't know what is to do that option with. Oh, this also seems to be interesting option. You really have to think what you do when you use Corel Painter because it's a lot different. What is this? Oh, I'm very pleased with results. It's quite fast after turning the acceleration on. Let's check a different grainy water. Basically, I will decrease bleed because I don't. This is completely different engine brush. It's a little bit hard to check every second, but I believe if you have more time and you study this program, this should be no issue for you. This tutorial was mainly to show you how to turn brush accelerator. Do I say correctly? And brush graphics processor. This is what I wanted to say to you. Graphics processor. So I hope you like this video tutorial. Bye.